everyone. Today I will be putting you through on all the tools that we have under number. Number, as the name implied, has to do with the numbers, the digits, figures that you type inside your cells. First of all, let me remove this particular one here. Now, we have numbers here under amounts. We have numbers under quantity. Then we have words under item. So, this number, they are supposed to be currency. Currency, not just number. The one under quantity are counts. What we have under amount is currency. Take for instance, the first one, if I'm to use dollar sign, the first one is $100,000. The second one is $200,000. The third one is $500,000. Then how do we know that these are currency? That is why we have this portion of our tools here, right here, to give meanings to our numbers. Now, from here, we have general under number as a default. So whatever you put right inside your cells is general. So it's left for you to change it to what you want. Now, I want to change the whole of this to something that I want. Take for instance, from the fly out, I have number, I have currency, I have accounting. This first, after general, the next three are meant for numbers. Now, how do we format our numbers to what we want? Right here, when you click, you have this 100,000. It's telling us that this is number. But if you say general will simply give it a default value, a default letter. It should be either word or figure. But the moment you change it to number, which means you are saying that these are numbers, there's a need to differentiate the number I'm talking about, whether it's currency or just a number. Now, I want to change it to currency. Currency. As you can see, I've changed to currency, and it's telling me that I have all of these in dollars. So what I just did now has given meaning to my data. So whoever is checking this would know that I have 10 quantity of television to the value of $100,000. Now, let's take it back. We have accounting. Accounting and currency, they go together. Boom. Accounting and currency, they go together. The only difference is that there is a gap between the currency and the figure. Now, what do we need to do again? Let's say, for instance, there is a need to put dates into our information. That is why we have different types of dates here. We have two different types of dates here. We have short dates, then we have long dates. Let me show you what that one does. Let's say I have 13 slash 07 slash 2019. Let's say I have this date right here, but in default is under general. This cell is under general as a default number right here. So I want it to be formatted to date for me, so that the cells will recognize that this particular cell is for dates, not just general. So let me change it to short date, for instance. Short date. I've changed it to date. So this cell is date. As you can see, as I'm clicking here, you are seeing right here that I have dates. Take for instance, let me give this data dates. Insert, let's say 2 5 2019, 4 5 2019, 7 5 2019, 9 5 2019, 22 5 2019. So you have your date right here. You have your date right here. I want to put it to center. Dates. I will be teaching you about percentage in my next video, which is formula and calculations. So I have to skip this for now. Watch out for my next tutorial, where I'll be guiding you through formulas and calculations. So this comma is simple. If you write 20,000, let's say 30,000, and you need to put comma, change them to numbers, or change them to value automatically. Just highlight, then click on comma sign here, comma. You can see the rest of what I have here is style. This is not that important, but let me show you what one of them does. So your own comfort zone, you can play around to know what they do one by one. So if I want to format the whole of my workbook, I can click right here, or click a portion, like click the whole of this, and format as table. Click right here, then pick whichever one you want, and okay. So that is what it does.